In this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant has encountered a connection error. If you encounter this error, first close the Valorant client completely. Make sure it's not running in the background by checking Task Manager. Press Start and type services.msc. Then press Enter. This will open the Services application. Scroll down and look for VGC. Right-click on VGC and select Properties. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Apply, then OK. Right-click VGC again and select Start. Close the Services window. So this should fix your issue. If it doesn't help, then press Start again. Type msconfig and press Enter. This will open System Configuration window. Go to Services tab. Check the box Hide all Microsoft services to prevent disabling essential system services. Scroll down and check the box for VGC Vanguard service for Riot games. Click Apply, then OK. You will be prompted to restart your PC. Click Restart to apply the changes. Once your PC restarts, launch Valorant and check if the error is solved. That's it. Now you know how to fix Valorant has encountered a connection error. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.